Hello Python programmers, welcome back to another video in Python tutorials with Arshad. In our previous video we had seen what are lists in Python. We had seen how to store multiple values in a list. Now in this video we will see what are tuples and sets in Python. So before starting this video, if you are new to my YouTube channel Programming with Arshad, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button and also hit this bell icon to get latest updates. Save this playlist by clicking on this button. I am going to add all of my Python tutorials in this playlist only. Okay, now without wasting time, I am opening my IDLE. Okay, now we will see what are tuples in Python. Tuples are also used to store multiple values in Python programming language. In our previous video, we had seen that if we use the square braces, then our Python will consider it as a list. Now how to declare tuples in Python? In Python, tuples are denoted by using these rounded brackets, or else we can say parentheses. If I hit enter and then if I say type of A, then you can see here it has returned me it belongs to class tuple. Now as I told, tuples are also used to store multiple values. Then what is the difference between list and tuples? The main difference between list and tuples are lists are mutable, which means we can change the values present inside a list. Yesterday we had seen how to add new values using append inbuilt function. We had deleted the last value using pop inbuilt function, and we had also reversed a list, and also we can perform a lot of stuff using list. Now tuples are immutable, which means we cannot change values present inside a tuple. For example, I am declaring a variable named tup and I am assigning a tuple which consists of random integers as 89, 56, 23, 45 and 78. If I hit enter and if I say tup, then you can see it has returned me a tuple, but we can't change values present inside this tuple. We can perform indexing and slicing in tuples. We know how to perform indexing and slicing. We had seen this in our strings video. We must use variable name and then square braces, and inside the square braces we must provide index number. If I say tup of 0, you can see it has returned me this first element, because similar to list and strings, in tuples also index number starts from 0. If I say tup of 2, then you can see it has returned me 23. Because if index number of 89 is 0, 56 is 1 and this 23 is 2. Okay, now we will perform slicing also. If I say tup of 0, 3, you can see it has returned me integers whose index numbers are 0, 1 and 2. We know that it will start from 0 and it will end at 2. It won't consider this 3. Okay, we can perform indexing and slicing in tuples. Now I had already told you tuples are immutable, which means we can't change the values present inside a tuple. We will try this. If I say tup of 0 equal to 56, then you can see it has written me an error. It is saying that tuple object does not support item assignment. Now we will see what are the inbuilt functions present inside a tuple. If I say tup dot and if I press Ctrl space, it will show me recommendations. You can see it is showing me only 2 inbuilt functions. These are the only 2 inbuilt functions present in tuples, which are count and index. If I say tup dot count of 56, then you can see it has returned me 1, because this integer 56 is present once in this tuple. You can see here. Now if I say tup dot index, you can see it has returned me 1, because the index number of this integer 56 is 1. With this we can conclude that this count inbuilt function will return the occurrence of an element, and this index inbuilt function will return the index number of that element. Okay, we had seen what are tuples, how to assign a tuples. Okay, finally I am revising once again. The differences between list and tuples are, we will use square braces in list and we will use round brackets or else parentheses in tuples. Tuples are immutable and lists are mutable. We can't change values present inside a tuple. We can change values present inside a list. And as usually we can perform indexing and slicing with both list and tuples. Okay, it's good up to now. Okay, now we will see what are sets in Python. Sets are also similar to list and tuples. We can also store multiple values in sets. Now what is the major difference here? The major difference in sets is we cannot perform indexing and slicing in sets. Sets doesn't follow an order. As we know, list follows an order and it will store elements according to index number, which will start from 0 and it will goes on as 0, 1, 2, 3. In sets, we cannot perform indexing and slicing because sets doesn't follow an order. Okay, now we will see how to declare sets in Python. As you are expecting, we will use this curly braces to declare sets. Now I am giving some random elements here as 56, 23, 78 and etc. Now if I say var, then you can see it has returned me a set of values. If I say type of var, then you can see it has returned me that it belongs to class set. Now, as I already told you, we cannot perform indexing and slicing in sets because sets doesn't follow a particular order. Now we will see that if I say var of 0, then you can see it has written me a type error and it is saying that set object is not subscriptable. Now we will see what are the inbuilt functions present inside a set. If I say var dot and then just press control space, it will show you recommendations. Now you can see here these are all the inbuilt functions present inside sets. You can try all of these functions on your own. These are simple functions. If you have already learned what are sets in mathematics, then it will be very useful for you and this will be very easy for you to perform all of these inbuilt functions. As you already know, if I say var.pop, you can see it has deleted the last element from our set and also returned that last element. Now I am declaring another set and I am giving random values of 56, 23, 89, 74, 14, again 56 and 23, again 89, and if I hit enter, now if I print this variable less, then it will return me the same set. The answer is no. You can see here, sorry, it is only yes. You can see here it has returned me a set which consists only unique values. In this set you can see that we had used these three integers which are 56, 23, 89 twice, and our Python has returned me a set which consists only unique values. With this we can say that sets avoid duplications. It won't allow a number to repeat twice, and also sets doesn't follow any specific order. We can't perform indexing and slicing in sets. Okay guys, that's all in this video. I hope you understood this video. In this video we had seen what are tuples and sets. Tuples are declared by using these rounded brackets or parentheses. We can perform indexing and slicing in tuples. Tuples are immutable. We cannot change the values present inside a tuple. And we had seen what are sets in Python. Sets are denoted by using these curly braces. We can store multiple values in a sets. And the major difference in sets are we cannot perform indexing and slicing in sets because sets doesn't follow a particular order. We had also seen that sets doesn't allow duplicate values, which means we cannot store a value twice in a set. Now we will see where to use this list, tuples and sets. If we want to change a collection of values, then we can use list. If we want to store a collection of values in a secure manner and we don't want those values to be changed, then we can use tuples. And sets are used to perform various mathematical functions. We can use these intersection union functions in sets. And in our next video, we will see what is dictionaries. Okay guys, that's all in this video. We had seen what are tuples and sets in Python programming language. Before ending this video, I will ask you a question. If I declare a variable named a and if I assign just this curly braces to this variable, now if I say type of a, then what will be the output? Let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, that's all in this video. I hope you are enjoying this video series of Python tutorials with Arshad. If you like this video series, then share this video series of Python tutorials with Arshad to your friends also, so that they also can learn Python programming for free. Thank you for watching till end, and I will see you next time with another amazing video. Take care, bye bye.